Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import JLCPCB rules to Altium. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first what you need to do is open your active board layout file, so PCB doc, as you can see it right here at this tab right here. Now what you need to do next is go to the design tab at the top and then select rules. From the top menu bar on open the editor. Now right click on the top level design rule folder in the left hand folder tree structure. So this one here at the top, which you see is marked blue, right click on it and then go to the import rules. Now what you need to do is just press Ctrl A to select all of them and after that hit OK. Alright, it will open something like that. Right. So now what you need to know is you need to choose design rule. Basically, if you have it, you will have here. So, okay. Now we can press open. If you have it, just click selected and then click open. And just like that, you will have your basically you will import GLCB PCB rules to Altium just like that if you have them. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next